Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at these Beats Solo Buds. These are true wireless earbuds and you can say that this is one of the cheapest products from Apple. Inside the box we get product guide, Apple Music free trial, Beats sticker and some instructions. You get 4 ear tip sizes, extra small, small, medium and large. The earbuds come with medium size fit. The case is small and compact, pill-shaped and pocketable. The case actually feels very light. It has a magnetic lid so the buds stay snug and secure. At the back you get the Type-C port to charge the case. These earbuds are available in 4 colors: Arctic Purple, Matte Black, Storm Grey and Transparent Red. This one is the Arctic Purple. These earbuds are tiny with a thicker body for a premium feel. Inside there are magnetic touch points, so the buds are not going to fall. At the back you get one control button. Initially it becomes a bit difficult to press, but after some time you get used to it. With custom built dual layer drivers and axial aligned design, the sound is powerful, clear and full of detail. These buds deliver the iconic Beats sound in a compact package. These earbuds are perfect for all day wear without any discomfort. But if your ears are smaller, then you may feel a bit bulkier. The buds offer up to 18 hours of playback on a single charge, and thanks to fast fuel, just 5 minutes of charging gives you an hour of listening time. So you can charge these earbuds once a week and you can directly charge from your phone, tablet or laptop. These buds are compatible with iOS and Android devices. Pairing is easy with just one tap, and features like Find My ensure you never lose your buds. In settings, you can customize press and hold action for these buds, like here I did for volume up and down, play and pause and more. These solo buds do have some downsides. They lack wireless charging and there is no active noise cancellation. There is no sound customization profiles, otherwise it would have been a better option. After using it for a month, now I can say that these buds are pretty good. Slightly heavy for me, but they fit properly in the ears. I use the small size of the ear tip. They won't come out even when you're doing your workout. Initially, it takes time to get used to these control buttons, but then you get used to it. If you want a great sound, long battery life, and comfortable design in a super compact package like this one, then these are fantastic choice. Sure, they skip some premium features, but they deliver where it matters the most. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing videos, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to pair of earbuds. Thanks for watching.